Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by shaping your hand. Relax shoulders and let the forearm drop so nothing pulls the fingers. Place fingers curved, fingertips touching keys. Avoid flat pads. Position the thumb with a gentle bend and keep the wrist level with the keyboard to enable motion. Once done, test by gently pressing each finger in sequence to confirm even contact and no collapsing knuckles. Make sure to breathe and release any grip. This setup prevents strain and gives you control for the next step. You now place both hands on the keys. Put thumbs on comfortable middle-range white keys to anchor balance. Distribute weight so each finger shares pressure. Don't let one finger do all the work. When moving left or right, let the arm guide the hand with small lateral shifts. This keeps fingers aligned and avoids overstretching. Once positioned, play simple 5-note patterns to feel even contact. Make sure to coordinate thumb crossings smoothly. This is why arm-led shifts are critical for fluid motion. You finish by coordinating both hands. Practice slow hands-together patterns and gradually increase tempo only when comfortable. Focus on keeping fingers curved and wrists relaxed as you speed up. Use small arm adjustments to maintain alignment. If tension appears, stop, shake out the hands, and reset the hand shape immediately. This prevents bad habits. Make sure to record a short clip occasionally to spot uneven pressure or collapsing fingers. Troubleshooting tip: persistent tension, usually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.